everyone, Vincenzo here with a new tutorial for a ukulele duet. This week, let's learn how to play Trouble by Coldplay. First of all, let's have a look at the chords that you need for this one. They are G, E minor, B minor, F, A minor and A. So let me show you the chord shapes, and of course, if you already know them, simply skip this part. So we start with G, E minor, B minor, F, A minor and A. Let's start working on the strumming pattern for the introduction. It goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up. One more time: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up. This is the chord progression. As G and E minor last for 2 beats only, we play them within one strumming pattern, like this: G, E minor. Having said that, let's play the entire chord progression using the strumming pattern you've just learned. 3, 4, G, E minor, B minor, G, E minor, B minor. Now let's work on the verse. If you want to keep things simple, use the strumming pattern you learned for the introduction. But if you want to challenge yourself, try this new pattern. It's really simple, but you just have to remember a few things. So for the chords that last for 2 beats, which are G, E minor, F and A minor, you're gonna be strumming down twice, like this. For the chords that last for 4 beats, which are B minor and the last G, you're gonna be doing this: 3, 4, down, down, up, up, down, down. One more time: 3, 4, down, down, up, up, down, down. This is the chord progression for the verse. Let's follow it so that you understand better how it works. 3, 4, G, E minor, B minor, down, down, up, up, down, down, F, A minor, and G, E minor, B minor, down, down, up, up, down, down, F, A minor, last G, down, down, up, up, down, down. Then we have the chorus. As this is a different part of the song, let's use another strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern for the chorus goes like this: 3, 4, down, 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 everything down. One more time: 3, 4, down, 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 down. This is the chord progression. Let me play it for you. 3, 4, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, and G. Let me play the entire chords part for you. 3, 4, G, E minor, B minor, G, E minor, B minor, G, E minor, B minor, F, A minor, G, E minor, B minor, F, A minor, last G, A, G, A, and G, A, and G, A, let's have a play along of the entire chords part with the melody in the background. By the way, don't forget that the melody starts a little bit before, like this. And you start with the first chord. But anyway, nothing changes for you because you start after the usual 4 counts. Having learned the chords part, let's start working on the melody now. We start from the intro. It goes like this. So you start from fret number 9 on the first string, then 10, back to 9, then we have 11 and 10 together twice. One more time. You repeat this 3 times, but on the last time you only play 11, 10 once, like this. First time, second time, third time. For the right hand, I'm using the middle finger for the first string, the index for the second one, and the thumb for the third and the fourth one. I'm gonna be doing this throughout the entire tutorial. You carry on and you play fret number 10 on the second string. Then we have 12, 10, 9, and back to 11, 10 together twice. Let's do this one more time. Then you have fret number 9 on the first string, then 10, back to 9, and then you have 11, 10 together twice, same as before. You repeat this one more time, but you only play 11, 10 once, like this. Let's put this together. Now let's play what you learned so far. This is the entire intro. 1, 2, 3. You carry on and you start with the verse. This is bar 6 if you're following from the top. So you start with fret number 10 on the second string, then 7, 10, and end on 9 on the first string. All together. Then you have 10, 8, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 10, 7. Everything is on the second string. One more time. So you repeat this part. Then you carry on and you have something similar to what you played before. It goes like this. 10, 8, 8, 7, 8. So until here it's the same as before. And now you have 8, 7, 8, 7. All together. Now let's put together the entire verse. 3, 4, 1. Now you're ready to work on the chorus. This is bar 13 if you're following from the top. You start from fret number 9 on the second string. Then we have 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 10. Very easy, everything is on the second string. All together. One more time. Then you play almost the same melody, but there are a few changes. So it goes like this: 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 10, 7. One more time. Now you play the first part you learned for the chorus, this one. And so you're ready to move on the last part of this arrangement. This is bar 19 on the tab. You start with the 5th fret of the second string, then 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 4, and you end on the 7th fret of the second string. One more time. Now let's play the entire arrangement, and remember to practice this with a metronome or even better with the backing track. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Once you feel confident with it, practice with the play-along version. Remember, you start with the intro on beat 4, which means 1, 2, 3, and you play. Having said that, let's start now. By the way, you might be wondering about the bridge. This is the chord progression, and you can use the same strumming pattern you used for the chorus. On my Patreon page, link in the description, you can find the tab, the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing treble. You have 2 backing tracks, one at the original tempo and one slower to help you practice. This arrangement works very well for a ukulele duet. So learn both parts and put it together, or even better, play this with another ukulele friend. You could even use one of my backing tracks and collaborate with me. If you like the video versions, simply get in touch. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn treble. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Ciao!